Boxer. This is Boxer. He's around 10 years old. He's the type of cat that would kind of prefer to be the only cat. Kind of laid back and just likes to chill out or play with camera. Hi, sweetie. You like the camera? Hi. Probably best in a home, quiet home. Not too much commotion. You gonna try to climb on me? What are you doing? What are you doing, silly? Come down here. Come down. There you go. Hi. Very handsome. There's a mistletoe. And he's climbing up me. Sweetie. Okay.